Hello, welcome to this short lesson about the sum of the interior angles of a triangle. Let's begin. All triangles have three angles. That's why they're called tri, which means three angles. Literally, their name means three angles. Now, the wonderful thing about the three angles of a triangle is that they always add up to the same amount. All three angles of a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. You could call your three angles angle A, angle B, and angle C. It doesn't really matter what order the names of those angles are in, by the way. However, if you know what the angles are called, now we can build a quick little formula with them. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C should always equal 180 degrees. So, if we know that angle A equals 55 degrees and the angle B equals 58 degrees, then we can use that information to calculate angle C. If A plus B plus C always equals 180, then we can work backwards to find C. Our first step will be to add both of the angles that we already have. 58 plus 55 to get their sum 113. Our second step will be to take the total measure of all angles in a triangle, which is always 180, and subtract our sum from step 1 from it, 113. This gives us 67. That means the angle C has to be 67 degrees. That's it. That's how easy this is. Let's work on another example. Let's say that we know two of the angle measurements inside this triangle. Angle B is 107 degrees, and angle C is 35 degrees. How can we solve for angle A? Easy. We follow the same steps. In step 1, we add up the two angles we know, 107 and 35. That gets us a total of 142 degrees. Next, in step 2, we take the total measure of all angles in a triangle, which is always 180, and subtract the sum of both of the angles we got in step 1, which is 142, to get our answer of 38 degrees. That means the angle A is 38 degrees. Congratulations! Now you know about the sum of the interior angles of a triangle. I hope this video helped you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.